Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of wearable tech with the brand new Galaxy Watch 6. This smartwatch has been creating quite the buzz, and for good reason. In this video, we'll explore the top features of the Galaxy Watch 6, including its slimmer bezels, brighter display, impressive battery life, faster processor, and the game-changing ECG and blood pressure monitoring capabilities. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest tech and review updates. Alright, let's dive right in. First up, the Galaxy Watch 6 comes with a noticeable design upgrade. Samsung has managed to slim down the bezels, giving it a more modern and sleek look. The thinner bezels not only make the watch look more stylish, but also maximize the display area for your apps, notifications, and watch faces. This improved design not only enhances the aesthetics, but also makes the watch more comfortable to wear for extended periods. Moving on to the display, the Galaxy Watch 6 packs a brighter and more vibrant AMOLED screen. Whether you're indoors or out in bright sunlight, the display remains clear and easy to read. It's a touchscreen, of course, and the responsiveness is top-notch. Plus, the watch offers a variety of watch faces and customization options to suit your style and mood. Now let's talk about one of the most crucial aspects of any smartwatch: battery life. The Galaxy Watch 6 boasts an impressive battery that can easily last you all day and then some. With typical use, you can expect around 1 to 2 days of battery life on a single charge. And if you're a light user, you might even stretch it to 2.5 days. Samsung has nailed the balance between features and battery efficiency. In the speed department, the Galaxy Watch 6 is no slouch. It's equipped with a faster processor, which means smoother animations, quicker app launches, and more responsiveness overall. Whether you're checking your notifications, tracking your workouts, or using third-party apps, the snappy performance is sure to impress. Now here's the real game changer: ECG and blood pressure monitoring. This is a significant step forward in wearable health technology. With the Galaxy Watch 6, you can take ECG readings right from your wrist, providing valuable data about your heart's electrical activity. And that's not all. It can also monitor your blood pressure, helping you keep tabs on your cardiovascular health. It's like having a personal health assistant on your wrist. So there you have it, folks, the top features of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and 6 Classic. From its sleek design with slimmer bezels to the brighter display, impressive battery life, faster processor, and the groundbreaking ECG and blood pressure monitoring, this smartwatch has a lot to offer. If you're looking for a versatile and feature-packed wearable that combines style with health monitoring, the Galaxy Watch 6 and 6 Classic should be on your radar. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your tech-savvy friends. And of course, if you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on the Galaxy Watch 6 and 6 Classic, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, stay connected